Hello friends, I am Amol Sonone, your online instructor. Welcome to the course How to Prepare a Business Plan. Business plan is an important tool to help your business startup or expanding existing business. So before preparing a business plan, let's clear some important thing regarding business plan. First, let's understand what is a business plan. So, by definition, a business plan is a written document describing the nature of business, the sales and marketing strategy, and the financial background and containing a projected profit and loss statement. Preparing a business plan includes wide range of knowledge from many different business disciplines. That is finance, human resource management, intellectual property management, supply chain management, operations management, and marketing among others. Now let's see, why do I need a business plan? The business plan is the blueprint for your business. So if you wanted to build a house, you wouldn't walk over to an empty lot and just start nailing board together. So starting a business without business plan is just as risky. Yet, unlike a house, a business isn't static. We often make the mistake of thinking of a business plan as a single document that you just put together when you are first starting out and then set aside some things to check off the to-do list and be done with it. Here are 5 good reasons to write a business plan when starting a new business. First one is to test feasibility of your business idea. Preparing a business plan is the best way other than going out and doing it to test whether an idea for starting a business is feasible or not. If working through a business plan reveals that your business idea is untenable, it will save you a great deal of time and money. Second reason is to give your new business the best chance of success. Preparing a business plan will ensure that you pay attention to the broad operational and financial objectives of your new business and the small details such as budgeting and market planning. The process will ultimately make for a smoother startup period and fewer unforeseen problems as your business gets up and running. The third one is to secure funding. The most new businesses need startup and operating capital to get off the ground. Without a well-developed business plan, there is no chance of getting financing from established financial institutions such as bank or equity financing from investors. Even established businesses need money to do things such as buy equipments or property or because of market downturns. Having an up-to-date business plan gives you a much better chance of getting the money you need to keep operating. The fourth one is to make business planning manageable and effective. So by reviewing the business plan can also help you to see what goals have been accomplished, what changes need to be made, or what new directions your company growth should take. And last one is to attract the investors. If you want to attract the proper investors, you need to have a solid business plan. A presentation may pique their interest, but they will need a well written document they can study before they will be prepared to make any investment commitment. So be prepared to have your business plan scrutinized. Both venture capitalists and investors will want to check background of your business plan. So preparing a business plan is a time consuming, but it is essential if you want to have a successful business that going to survive the startup phase. The next thing that you should do is determine your objectives and goals. So close your eyes, imagine that the date is 5 years from now and ask the questions, where do you want to be? Will you be running a business that hasn't increased significantly in size? So answering these questions is an important part of building a successful business plan. In fact, without knowing where you are going, it's not really possible to plan at all. So if still you are having a trouble deciding what's your goals and objective are, here I have some questions that you should ask yourself. The first question is, how determined am I to see this succeed? Then, am I willing to invest my own money and work long hours for no pay, sacrificing personal time and lifestyle maybe for years? Then, what's going to happen to me if this venture doesn't work out? Then if does succeed, how many employees will this company eventually have? The next question is what will be its annual revenues in a years or in a 5 years? What will be its market share in that time frame? Will it be a niche marketers or will it sell a broad spectrum of goods and services? What are my plans for geographic expansion, local, national or global level? Then am I going to be a hand-on manager or will I delegate a large proportion of tasks to others? And if I delegate, what sort of task will I share? That is sales, technicals or others? Then how comfortable am I taking directions from others? Could I work with partners or investors who demand input into the company's management? And the last question is it going to remain independent and privately owned or will it eventually be acquired or go public? So start asking such type of questions to yourself. You will definitely get your answers in terms of your goals and objectives. So after identifying your goals and objectives, you are ready to prepare a business plan. So watch my next video to prepare a business plan. Thank you.